Hello everyone, I am Ketut Rivan Arya Jaya. Nice to see you again in this meeting. So, how are you today? Okay, good. So, in the previous meeting, we have talked about environmental pollution. So, today I will describe one of the environmental pollution. Now, can you imagine that you were living in the polluted air? What would happen if you lived in dirt air? One of the environmental pollution that I will describe today is about air pollution. Do you know what is air pollution? So, air pollution is the presence of one or more physical, chemical, or biological substances in atmosphere that can endanger the health and comfort of human, animal, and plants. There are two factors cause of air pollution. The first is human factors and the second one is natural factors. In human factors, there are 6 factors. The first is burning of fossil fuels. The second one is agricultural activities. The third is industrial activities. The fourth is mining activities. The fifth is human military activity. And the last is household products. The second one is natural factors. In natural factors, there are 2 factors. The first is forest fires, and the last is volcanic eruption. So, what is the impact of air pollution? There are 3 impacts of air pollution. The first is about environment, and air pollution contributes to the formation of acid rain, atmospheric deposits in the form of rain, frost, snow, or fog, which are released during the burning of fossil fuels and converted by contact with water vapor in the atmosphere. The second one is about human health. Air pollution is indeed a significant risk factor for human health, causing allergies, respiratory and cardiovascular, and lung damage. The last is about global warming. Air pollution is a major contributor to global warming and climate change. The existence of greenhouse gases should be beneficial to planet because it is able to absorb infrared radiation generated by the Earth's surface. But the excessive concentration of these gases in the atmosphere is the cause of climate change. And so this is the example of air pollution in Indonesia, to be precise in Jakarta. In Jakarta, 75% of air pollution caused by land transportation. So you can see the pictures on the slide. In the first picture, took in March 2020, when the sky is in Jakarta, when the government calls PSBB or are just people work from home during a pandemic. In the first pictures, you can see the blue sky and fluffy white clouds. And the second pictures is took in June 2020, when the sky in Jakarta, when the government relaxes the PSBB. In these pictures, you can see the city skyline blanketed by thick layer of smoke. Okay, the last is how to reduce the air pollution. This is the several things that we can do to reduce the air pollution. The first is ride a bike or walk instead of driving. The second is use public transportation. The third is turn off lights and appliances when not in use. The fourth is using energy efficient light bulbs and appliances. The fifth is don't burn trash, and the last is plant lots of trees around the house. Okay, the conclusion. Air pollution is very disturbing and even endangers humans, animals, plants, and other living things because of the dirty air conditions. Besides being able to cause respiratory problems, air pollution can also cause death of our living things. Okay guys, that's all about the presentation today. Thanks for your attention and goodbye.